Lenny Linguini's already on deck. It's not a game. I've been seeing this man every day for like a week.
Yo, no BS though, for real. It's been it's been in contact constantly, for real. We got a lot of stuff coming up. And February, I mean, we're gonna end January with a blast. We got Money Mad, Social Sunday. Blizzard 617 is gonna be down there.
Oh yeah, I'm about to be up there, man. Right? Got a slot up there, man. Go up there and show 94.5 what they missing in Dorchester, man.
Yes, exactly. Show them where the real bosses #1's at. You know what I mean?
For sure, man. You know what I'm saying?
All this extra Jam 94.5 playing all these other
that 104.3, man. We're gonna get that.
Yeah, we're gonna get there. We getting there. We gonna get there, man. That's gonna when we get there for that, if you wasn't switching before, don't look for me afterwards, because you know what I mean. That's just how that goes. Yeah. I mean, if you wasn't there to build it,
we in some other water, we in some other liquor.
That's it. Yeah. So all right. So let's get back to a little bit of music stuff here. What's up? What happened?
Nah, it's not connected.
I already know that sound anywhere right there. I know that computer sound anywhere. Everybody got that one.
Yeah, nah.
Oh, I got the Wi-Fi.
It's back on?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Everything moving.
You know what I'm saying? All the civilians respect. You know what I'm saying? Lenny's Lamborghinis. We respect Lenny Lamborghini.
You see what I'm saying? I like that. I'm gonna have to put that on a flyer for real somewhere. You know what I mean? It's gonna be like Lenny Lamborghini, catch him on the.
Lenny Lambo.
That's lit. I like that. All right, word, man.
I told you, man, it's all about love here, all the civilians, man. We can't stand when we find out how much hate has been given to all the musical artists in Boston, and like I'm glad like doors is opening with guys like Lenny, Mike, you know what I'm saying, M Styles, True Era, you know what I'm saying, regardless of all the problems we all may go through on our, you know what I'm saying, AM, PM, but when it's time to hit that Showtime button, we always clock in everybody. And we move accordingly. That's how you're supposed to do as a troop, man.
You should. Yo, thank you for that, man. Everybody else, special to you too, man. Without you, come on, you're also the pieces that put this stuff together too.
Thank you.
Before we even got here, we were talking about that. We were like, yo, the Blizzard stopped outside because he's inside now. You know what I mean?
I thought I had a little couple seconds, man. I started to make it a little more greener in here.
Get rid of that. Doing it big. That's all we can hope for. In Boston, that's what we do. We all trying to come together now. Promote the peace, promote the love, promote the unity. That's what it is.
Oh, for sure, man. Beantown, man. Green Monsters is out, man. 2K19 is a slaughter right now. All the artists that's dropping music this year is going to get crazy. Lenny, you about to meet everybody I'm talking about.
That's another part of this. Once you meet the people, like you were saying during the break, 5 minutes in a room, you're talking to everybody, of course, like it's gonna be, whoa, you're actually a really cool person, you're a really cool dude, why don't we work together? Boom, done. That's how it's supposed to be, real quick and easy.
It's supposed to be like that, domino effect, man.
Man, that's all.
If it ain't no domino effect, somebody is taking too much money. Somebody's taking too much money, man. When I come back through here, man, my offering's gonna be full, you know what I'm saying, at DaCypher Radio, you know what I'm saying, at the moment, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to the moment for having me tonight.
Shout out to being here. And shout out to showing up too, like on time, before the time, you know what I mean? I was expecting you a little late. Like, I was expecting you now.
Oh man, my old name used to be DJ Timeless. You know what I'm saying? I used to be on time for everything, you know what I'm saying, for the cause, man. When I wake up in the morning, man, I make my bed, man. You know what I'm saying? I make my eggs.
Get the breakfast, have a start the right day, get it all together. But I wanted to ask you one quick question as a local artist in the Boston area. Your take on the artist scene, because you've seen, you've been to Social Sundays, you've been promoting every Tuesday, performing every Tuesday, promoting all day, every day, and performing on Sundays. So what is your take on the scene? Like, what does it look like out here to you?
I mean, everybody look like they turned up. Everybody litty in Boston. Everybody got their way of life, man. And you know what I'm saying? It's all about the energy you're putting out there, man, after you do your performance. Because I could clearly enjoy your movements on that stage. But then what happens when the lights get off of you? Are you a humble person? You know what I'm saying? Are you able to have a stable conversation without spitting about your feelings all the time? You know what I mean? A lot of people like to get a little emotional and at the wrong place at the wrong time. You know, you gotta really, you know what I'm saying, pay attention to who you're talking to, you know, nowadays, man, because these artists may be good on that stage and may be talented, and that's a gift from God, and you gotta just push it the right way.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying, guys like me ain't gonna work with you.
Yeah.
That's just facts, man. I could do this music myself, man. I've been making music since I was a kid. I've been writing since I was a kid. I write R&B too. You know?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's another thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for a lot of, like I said before, different music. I'm looking for a lot of R&B. I'm looking for singers. I'm looking for entertainers, comedians, ventriloquists, contortionists. What else rhymes with "it's" at the end of that? It don't matter. I'm looking for different things out here. You know, messages. Not just about.
Yo, just drop me in the group chat. As soon as I leave this building, I want to be in the group chat with both of y'all, man. That way we can always question each other, man. If you find out something new, I find out something new. Any lane that we can have to, you know, build more, you know what I'm saying, build more networks. That's my goal right now, network building.
Yes. Oh man. And if you know any, not just, and this invitation goes out, I'm sure, like, it's extended way past just artists. Like, if you're a business person, a small business, or you're really a really skilled person, you have certain skills that you're good at, and you're looking to progress and, you know, get your name out there, get your you know, just notoriety, that's welcome too, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want all those type of people to come through and spit their truth, you know?
Oh yeah, I'm down to put in that energy.
Maybe, you know, eventually, you know, when this show kicks off, how it's supposed to, we'll come in here, we'll get cameras set up, we'll get, you know, a little table set up, we'll have some battles going back and forth, you know, but like battles that like mean something.
That would be kind of litty up in here, man. Y'all can pull that off right there, man. I'm looking around in here, man. It's beautiful studio, man. I can't wait till you know what I'm saying, till y'all again put me back up in here, yo. You know, that's all, man. I'm excited, man. I'm glad to y'all have me here. And, you know what I'm saying, let me promote my Cold Files mixtape, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to reach a goal, you know what I'm saying, 3,000 copies sold right now. We got 100.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying? We just started selling about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe.
50 a week right now?
So we had 100 copies sold. We're trying to get 3,000 copies sold in our homeland.
Yes.
Right, man. Yo, so you heard them. So where can they get that? Like, where can they find that?
Yo, if y'all want to, you know, cop the music, any kind of, you know, anything, merchandise or gear and stuff, you know, reach us at www.hardencivilians.com. You know, you can actually follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We're on all platforms right now. Go ahead and put in your payment, your donation, whatever you can, and check my schedule. My event schedule right now is cooking right now.
And that's Harden, like James Harden, right?
That's Harden, yep, Harden Civilians, not Harden Criminals, Harden Civilians.
Hey, okay. That's right.
Alright.
So one more time.
Now you know, that's where you gotta go.
I'm gonna say one more time. You wanna just spell it one more time, just so people know, because I'm a little confused right now. You said James Harden, you said Harden. You know what I mean? I just need you to
That's
know.
the Harden with the ED at the end, you know. I'm not good at spelling bees and all that. You know what I'm saying? If you went into my rap notebook, man, y'all would be shocked at the errors.
Okay.
The sentence fragments.
Yo, and with that, yo, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go spell some stuff real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some commercials real quick. You know, take a little break. You know.
It's the Harden Civilians, baby.
Yeah, we go. You know what I mean? HARDENED.
That sounds about right now.
Yeah.
I'm not good on my feet with this spelling written like that, man. But you know, I can sound it out on paper. Put it that way.
You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to just go ahead and look it up on the book, and I'll put it on the moment.
Hey man, check my Facebook page, Blizzard 617. You know what I'm saying? Spell it all the way out, even in numbers, and you can get right to the information you need. Check my Facebook wall. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Blizzard 617. You can hit me up on Romeo Jerry. You know what I'm saying? I got my baby son picture up there. That's what I've been trying to fight for the last 7 years. You know what I'm saying? He's on that one, on the Romeo Jerry picture. And on Instagram, you can follow me, Champ City 617. Also the Harden Civilians.
Okay. Right. Alright, we're about to take a little quick commercial break, you know what I mean? Y'all can go ahead. I know it's Thursday, and I know people are thirsty, so I'm gonna let y'all get that little drink. You know what? It was you know, do your thing. And we're gonna
I'll drink a beer
back.
with you, man.
Yeah,
I drink one beer, man.
Yeah, man.
but I won't drink.
You gonna be real surprised when I hear this bag. Just kidding. But yeah, so word. So we're gonna take a little break, like I said, come back commercial, maybe I'll get this song going. You know what I mean? And then we can continue switching. Alright, man.
Hey guys, this is DaCypher Studio located at 342
Ooh, and we litty.
How was that, guys?
Good, bro. Thank y'all, man. Shit, man, I gotta get back up here, man. I gotta get back up here, man. I gotta bring some people for y'all, man. I gotta refer some people to y'all, man. Alright? So y'all recorded that whole thing? Y'all recorded that whole thing?
It's playing right now.
If all the sound switch went well, it should be up on live Facebook right there.
The video and everything? All
Yeah,
that?
we was doing all that.
The whole interview is gonna be right there? Oh, okay. That's what's up, man. Y'all got it loaded up in here. So what's up with the 104.3?
So right now, they was on air, and then the FCC just, you know, the FCC, federal, whatever. So that happened, but they're trying to get it back. So you need to we're promoting that. So when it gets back on, people are like, oh yeah, it's a joke right now. So when it comes back, people are like, oh yeah, 104. You run that up. What?
Hey, y'all gonna be lit. Y'all gonna be lit, boy. Can't wait to do another show, man. That's Sunday, right? We in it Sunday.
Yeah.
That's man.
20 man, 27.
That's man. Y'all fellas, we good? We good?
If you want to stay, you can.
We gotta hit the road, man. We coming from Wakefield, man. You know what I'm saying? And the traffic is ugly out there right now. Alright, man. Thank you for having me. For sure, man. Bless and love, brothers. For sure, man. Hey, you said Gutter Biscuit. What was it?
Billy Biscuit.
Billy Biscuit. I was about to call you Gutter Biscuit on the mic. That's why I didn't say nothing. I just kept it quiet. I don't want to say your name wrong on live. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Billy Biscuit. Alright, man. Y'all make sure y'all connect me. You already got me. Connect with me, brother.
I just friended you now.
Man, I'm gonna try every Thursday. I'm gonna try to get y'all somebody here next Thursday. Alright? For sure.
Alright, man.
Alright,
Be
fellas.
safe, guys.